Hey, real quick, before you read anything in this document, I want to show you something first. One of our students, Aaron, messaged me earlier this year. He said, I'm really struggling here. He is a former police officer in Australia. No business experience. He didn't know where to start. A few weeks later, he sent me another message. His first digital product sale, $997, paid in full. That's what this document is about. And that's what I'm going to walk you through right now in about 5 minutes. So stay with me. So the headline says it all. $1,000 day commissions, no face, no product to create, no phone calls. Now, I know what you are thinking. Daniel, I've heard that before. Fair. So let me just show you what's actually happening with real people following this. These aren't hand-picked outliers. These are students my business partner Nathan and I actually coached. People who are just like you and me. Yes, went from negative $2,000 in her bank account to over $21,000 in just 8 weeks. Trisha hit $5,000 in 43 days after one call with us. Jake, a father who works his busy 9 to 5, made $100,000 in just 4 months. I'm not showing you this to impress you. I'm showing you this because one of these screenshots could be yours. 2 to 3 weeks from now, you could be the one messaging me saying you just made your first $997 sale and everything changed. Just like our student Enya from South Africa did after making over $2,000 in 3 days. Let's hear her excitement.
Oh, Coach, thank you so much. Wow. My family and I, we've been waiting long. You know how long we've been waiting for this breakthrough. And they are so happy. My son, Shane, I just gave him some pocket money now to buy him a game. And it's just amazing. It's amazing that I don't have to worry about anything.
Here's how this actually works. Just 3 steps. Step one, you set up your offer. The digital product is already built. You simply plug in your own Stripe or PayPal, and every sale goes straight to you. 100% commissions, no splits, no middleman. Step two, you get leads using Facebook. No pay ads, no big following, no camera needed. The system shows you exactly how to find people who are already looking for what you have. Step three, you close sales with AI. We give you the posts, the messages, our custom built ChatGPT AI sales bot. So AI helps you personalize your content, messages, and help you close sales in your messenger. You copy, paste, send, get paid. That's it. Now, let's talk about the investment for this business. The average brick and mortar business costs somewhere between $50,000 and $150,000 just to open the doors. And most of those businesses don't break even for 2 to 3 years, if they make it at all. The investment to start your digital product business with everything is already done for you, only $997. One-time payment. The product is already built. The system is already proven. You plug in your Stripe or PayPal, follow 3 steps, and you are open for business online today. And your very first sale puts $997 profits straight back into your account. So one sale, your business already breaks even. Everything after that is pure profit for the rest of your life. $997 to own a fully done for you digital business versus $100,000 and 3 years of hoping your restaurant doesn't close. It's not even a comparison. Now, the investment is just $997 to pick up the whole system, and you own the license to make 100% commissions from it without you spending 6 months creating, developing, and testing your own product. You simply plug in your own payment account, then boom, you are in business. I want you to think about that number for a second. Just one sale, and you've already covered your entire investment to start your business. One sale, $997 profits straight to your PayPal or Stripe. That's not $997 to learn something and hope it works eventually. That's $997 to access a done for you product, a proven traffic system, AI sales tools, and 8 weeks of live weekly coaching from Nathan and myself with a result guarantee attached. And if you are in the United States, Kalana financing is available. You may qualify for $0 down. I've linked the tutorial right inside the document. Here's the part most programs don't put in writing, the guarantee. If you show up to at least one weekly coaching session per week, follow the system, And if you don't hit at least $5,000 in your first 8 weeks, my team and I keep working with you every single week at no additional charge until you do. We stay until you win. So you never need to try to figure it out alone. Nathan and I have done over $4 million with this exact system. This plaque right here is from ClickFunnels, their 2 Comma Club award. This is for people who cross over $1 million in a single funnel. So this is not theory. This is what we do every single day. Right? Here's exactly what to do right now. You're going to click the enrollment link right here in this document. And it says, click here to join POP and make $997 commission. That will take you to the checkout page. If you are paying in full, just simply enter your card details and hit complete order. If you are in the United States and you want the $0 down financing option, on that checkout page, look for Kalana and select it. I've also put a 4-minute tutorial in the document to show you exactly step by step how to get that $0 down financing option. If you get approved, you don't need to pay nothing for the first 30 days, but you're going to have full access to the whole system. So potentially, you could be making your first $1,000 stay without you paying for the course yet. So don't skip that. If financing is what makes this work for you, the moment you are in, you get instant access, and our mentorship onboarding kicks off right away. That's it. One click, you are in. Look, I'm not going to over explain this. Everything you need to make a decision is in this document. The proof is there. The system is there. The guarantee is there. The only question is, are you the right person? If you've been trying to figure out how to make real money online without getting on camera, without building something from scratch, without hopping on calls with strangers, this was built for you. If you are still on the fence after reading through this, message me directly. My Facebook direct messenger link is at the bottom of the document. I personally respond to every message. Every day you wait is just another day you stay exactly where you are, watching other people post their wins while you are still sitting on the fence. The version of you that changes your family's life, they are not a scholar. They are a decision maker, a real leader. So hit the button, join the mentorship, and let's go get your first $5,000 online in the next 8 weeks together. I'll see you inside.